Hi guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect LearnDash to FuseWP. Alright, now the first thing you'll want to do is configure your integrations. So let's hover and click on Settings. And on this page, we have a number of different integration options. You can use any of these being displayed here, but in my case, I'm using Mailchimp. There's also a link to a video in the description that shows you how to set this up. And by the way, we already have LearnDash installed. Alright, so I'm going to go to User Sync under FuseWP. Once that page is open, I'll click on Add Sync Rule. Now we need to select a source. Here we can select users coming from a specific LearnDash course or any LearnDash course, which I'm going to select. Now we'll add a destination and we'll choose the enrollment status that we want to use. For this example, let's sync any enrollment status. Now moving on, by default, our integration will be Mailchimp. If we had more than one configured, we would be able to choose. Alright, let's go ahead and choose our Mailchimp audience. And moving on, we have tags. Now for this, I'm just going to use a tag that I've already set up in Mailchimp. So if I go here in Mailchimp under audience, we'll click on the tags tab. So here we'll see the LearnDash tag, which I've already created. We'll go back and we'll just type this as it is in Mailchimp. Now we'll move on to map custom fields. And here we have our data fields. This one is first name. And if we move on to the right hand side, we'll see the data type. For this one, it's set to text. And it's getting mapped to the first name Mailchimp field. Alright, now we can go ahead and map another field, and this one will be registration date. Let's change the data type to date, and the corresponding Mailchimp field will be registration date as well. Alright, so since we're done, we can go ahead and save our changes. Okay, now let's go ahead and see if it works. We'll go to LearnDash at the top. We'll go to courses, and let's go ahead and choose one. I think this one is fine. We'll open it in a new incognito window. Okay, so this is our course, and over on the right, I'm just going to click on Login to enroll, and I'll log in using a WordPress account that I have already created. But in your case, you can go ahead and register a new account. Alright, so now we'll need to go ahead and enroll, so we'll click on Take this course. Okay, so that's fine, and just to be on the safe side, let's pretend to read one of these topics. So I'll scroll all the way down, and I'll click on Mark as Complete. Okay, so since there is no doubt that we have enrolled in this course, we can go back to WordPress. Okay, so back on our courses page, if we click on the course that we took, we can see that we now have one enrolled student, which is me. And if we go to Mailchimp in all contacts, we can see the entry right here. It's the first one. So we have the registration date and the LearnDash tag. And this is also the email that's associated with the account. Now you may be wondering why there's no first and last name, and that's because when I created this WordPress account, I did not include a first and last name. I'll just show you evidence of this right now. So I'm on my WordPress dashboard and I'll go to users. Let's go to the account I used. See, that has no name. If I click on edit, you'll see that there's no first and last name. So FuseWP successfully synced the information that was provided upon enrollment. So that's the registration date, the email, and the tag. Alright, so I really hope this video helped. Thanks for watching and see you next time.